A real, persistent connection to a real server lets send a real message and get a real reply, live. This real call genuinely opens an actual real, persistent connection, not a one-off request like fetch. This real message genuinely travels to the actual real server the instant the real connection opens. This is the exact real reply the actual real server genuinely sent back over the same open connection. A real WebSocket genuinely stays open, unlike a one-off fetch request. Both the real client and real server can genuinely send messages at any time once open. This real mechanism powers genuine live chat, live notifications, and real-time dashboards. Find one real feature on a site you use that's genuinely powered by WebSockets. Next, the Real Geolocation API.